Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a local food delivery business with Grubhub, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a local food delivery business with Grubhub, start by researching your market. Identify target neighborhoods that have potential demand for food delivery services. Analyze competitor offerings to understand pricing, menu choices, and delivery times. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and operational strategy. Register your business and choose a suitable legal structure, such as an LLC or sole proprietorship. Open a dedicated business bank account to manage finances efficiently. Obtain necessary permits and licenses to operate legally in your area. Join Grubhub as a restaurant partner. Visit the Grubhub website and complete the online registration process. Provide accurate information about your business, including address, hours, and cuisine type. Upload your menu with detailed descriptions and high-quality images to attract customers. Set competitive pricing while considering your delivery costs and Grubhub's commission fees. Optimize your menu by highlighting popular items and introducing specials to entice customers. Invest in marketing your delivery services, utilizing social media and local advertising. Encourage existing customers to share their experiences on platforms like Grubhub. Join local food delivery groups on social media to connect with potential customers. Maintain excellent service standards to encourage repeat business and positive reviews. Monitor customer feedback closely to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your menu and delivery practices based on customer preferences and trends. Analyze sales data regularly to understand which items are performing well and which aren't. Plan promotional events, such as discounts or loyalty programs, to drive new orders and retain customers. Build partnerships with local businesses to cross-promote services. Always ensure timely deliveries by efficiently managing orders and utilizing the Grubhub delivery platform. Stay updated on Grubhub's policies and best practices to maximize your success. Continue refining your operations based on feedback and market changes. With persistence and strategic planning, your local food delivery business can thrive using Grubhub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.